Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with immediate, practical checks. Do them now. Force close the camera app and reopen, because temporary app hangs cause black screens. Once done, verify front versus rear cameras to isolate the fault, and check for an iOS update under Settings General Software Update. Install any available patch. Make sure to also test third-party camera apps to see if the issue is system-wide. These quick steps tell you whether this is a settings or hardware problem. Now you proceed to deeper troubleshooting. Perform a hard restart. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears stubborn system locks. Once done, reset all settings to restore configuration defaults without erasing data, because misconfigured permissions or camera settings can block the feed. Next, run diagnostics using the Apple Support app or check analytics logs to capture camera crashes. Finish with hardware verification and recovery options. First, inspect the lens area for debris or moisture and gently clean with a microfiber cloth. Physical blockage or corrosion often causes a black image. If software still looks likely, back up your iPhone and perform a DFU restore to reload firmware completely. This wipes the device but can resolve deep firmware faults. If the black screen persists, contact Apple or a certified technician and supply your diagnostics and symptom timeline. This speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.